Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to create a category. So in this video we can continue like a subcategory because you need to choose the main category, after you need to add like a subcategory. Let's open our themes first, how it works, after we can discuss about how to work subcategory. So I already show you like first video like download Mola themes inside a e-commerce, means e-commerce themes how you can download. So you can check like latest means old videos so you can understand. So here you can see it like a shop, and here you can see it like a this is the grid I know, but we need to use for the subcategory. Like here you can see it now. So here is a product saying, but this is the page is there, but we need to use like a subcategory. This is the first category, after you can see it like this is the subcategory, and here is the main category. So here is also two subcategory, here is also main category, here also some subcategory. So we need to work now subcategory. So subcategory inside just same like this look, like a name, slug, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and a category. Means that this is the category name, this is the category name, and we need to add like a subcategory name. So let's open the code and we can do like here is a new menu like a subcategory. So just go to categories, resources, inside views, inside admin, inside you need to go layouts, inside you can see it like header.blade.php. So let's make some zoom out, and just we need to copy like a category to paste here like a subcategory. Okay, so because you need to understand very well, so you need to check like old video how to create a category, so you can better understand. Like here we can make like a subcategory, and here also make a segment 2 is equal to subcategory list. So we need to make like a active. Okay, so here you can see it like subcategory and segment is equal to 2. So this is the menu is going to active. So let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here like a subcategory. I just click the search, so not found. So let's go and create a new menu now. So just go to routes, inside go to web, and just we need to create a new menu subcategory. Just copy to category lines and put here, and just you can change to category to subcategory, and here we can create a new mod controller subcategory controller. Okay, and also we need to declare here. So open your terminal and create a controller. So just I am going to my folders, means my e-commerce folders, like here there, and inside I will open terminal. Whatever do you want, you use a terminal, just you can open, and just you can create a PSP artisan make controller subcategory controller, and just press the enter. So taking few seconds, after you can see it here like a new controller. Sorry, I have made a wrong place. So just here creating, after I need to remove because we need to create inside a admin. Just removing, we need to create inside a admin. So just up sign inside a keyboard, and you can get same back, and just you can change here like admin slash subcategory controller. So you can see it here is a controller successfully created. Also we declare here, you can see it. Now also we create a new function like a subcategory inside list.blade.php. Sorry, means list function. So just go to category controller, and you can copy list one and just put here. Okay, and also you need to copy like his authentication and category model because we need to use for this ones. So let's go to back and refresh the page so we can check work or not. Just save and go back. So it's working very well, no issue. But here showing the category list, but we don't want to show this is the category list. Just go back again, and just we can change here like a subcategory because we need to make a category to make a title another subcategory, and here we can create a new folder like a subcategory. Inside we need to create a list, add, edit, and yes, list, add, edit, only 3 files. So just go to admins, inside create a new folders subcategory, inside we need to create a list.blade.php. Okay, so you can see it here, list.blade.php. Also you can go to category, inside click on the select all and just paste here. Okay, now I save these files, just go back again, refresh the page. So working very well. Here you can see it like a title view change, and also you can change here like a subcategory. Sorry, I just make a spelling mistake, subcategory list. And I save these files, I just go back again, refresh the page. Now you can see it here, subcategory list, because of we have already provided like a path here. Okay, so here we don't want to use like this is the model, category model, we need to use a new model. So just we can create a subcategory model. So just copy name and paste here, and just copy above one, and we can put here. Open your terminal and create a new model like a subcategory model. PSP artisan make model subcategory model. Just paste here and press the enter. So you can see it like a model successfully created. Also you need to check, so just go to model, inside you can see it like a subcategory model. Go to category models and just copy his name and put here, and just you can change like a subcategories like this, and just go to database and copy the category tables, and you can change to like a subcategory. So let's go now and choose the category, go to operations, and I just copy here, you can see it copy, and I can add a new name like a subcategory. Just click on the go button. So taking few seconds. Okay, go error, checksum of storage, I think it's not working. I don't know what's the issue. Let's make a structures only, we don't want to do like data. Let's save. I think something issue there, so let's click here. Okay, is already copy, I don't know, this is the my PHP my admin inside some error there, this reason, otherwise it's already copy. You can see it here, subcategory. Also go to structures, so you can see it like auto increment, also primary, and all things they are very well, so no issue. Okay, name, slug, metadata, meta description, meta keywords, and created by, status, deleted, and created and updated. But we need to add another id here like a category id, so we know which id against you are adding the this category name, that means subcategory name. So just you can provide like a category id here, like category id, and also integer, and value is equal to null, so automatically can connect like a 11s. Okay, so here we have put like a category id. So just go back again, and here we have created a new function get records. So just you can go to same thing, you need to go category models and just copy this line and paste here inside a subcategory, and here you can make like a subcategory dot stars. Okay, so this is the done, and here we can use like a paginate, because sometimes category creating like lots of, so we can use a paginate here like a 20. Okay, so save these files and just go, and you can change here like category to subcategory, and here you can make like a subcategory. Also we need to make here join query about category. So category.id, like category.id, and here we can make subcategory.category id, because this is the column we have added right now. You can see it here, you see. Okay, so everything is good. Just we can make now new one, category dot name as a category name, because we need to always use a alias, because this is the name also there inside a subcategory. You can see it here, this is I use a category name. Okay, I save these files, I just go back again and refresh the file. So you can see it, no any listing showing here, because of the here we have not did inside a subcategory id, category id. So let's make a one every place inside database, so automatic you can see it listing. Okay, here I can make 2, and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here listing. Okay, so working very well. And let's change to subcategory list here, category list to subcategory list. So just go to sub, and here you can copy, and here you can put also subcategory list, and here you can change like a category name, and here you can make like a subcategory name. Okay, so just we can change let's make a subcategory name. Whatever do you want to like, you can make it your end. This is your dependency. Here I can make like a category name. Okay, I just save and just go back. So you can see it here like a lifestyle. So this is the hobby is a subcategory name. Let's make a space so look like better. Subcategory name, and he is like a category name like lifestyle. Here shopping. So you okay, I think this is the move first and this is the move last, so means next. So here also we can put like a first this one, so look like better this region, and easily we can understand. Okay, this is the category name, here is a subcategory name, this region. Okay, so now it's clear. Now we need to click on the, because listing is done, once we can click on the add new subcategory, edit and delete we need to do now. So just go up and here we can change like add new subcategory, and here we can change like a subcategory, like here category to subcategory. Same thing we can do inside like edit and delete. So just we can change category to subcategory. Okay, so everything is clear now. Just save this, refresh the files, and you can see it now. New menu, add new subcategory. Just click here. So it's route not found. So let's add this routes. Just go to web, and you can copy like add one. Both of your route add one you can copy. One is the inserting, one is a like a adding. So just copy and put here. Also you can put here because we need to use for the get, and also we need to use same URL about the database insert. So let's make a comment out. Once I can use, I can show you how we can use it. Okay, so just go to category controller and copy this add one, and just go to sub one, and here you can just change the path like a category to subcategory, and also you can change here like a add new subcategory. Okay, so let's create a new files inside a subcategory, blade dot php. Okay, add.blade.php. so same thing, we need to go to category, inside we need to go add one, and just copy all the files and put here, and just we can change like add new subcategory. Here we need to change the title. Okay, here we can put like a subcategory name. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can see it now. Just refresh the page so you can see it, add new subcategory. Here is a not save this file, I think so. Which is the file? Okay, I will not just save. Also this is the file I will save. Okay, just go back and refresh the page. Here is showing the subcategory. Okay, I not save these routes, I think this regions. Let's refresh, because of I already changed like admin subcategory dot add. Here's the add.blade.php, and I also change here like a subcategory name. So where he going, just make a die here, and we can check. Not going here, so just search this route. Okay, because I will not change here controller, this reason. Just you can change here controller category to subcategory controller. So just add and refresh the page. So you can see it now stopped because I have made here die. You can see it here. Okay, so everything is cool. Just go back again, refresh the page so you can see it like subcategory name, slug, status, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. So working very well, so no issue now. Okay, so just go back again, go to subcategory controller, and we need to get here like a get record for the category. So just copy above line, and just you can change here like category controller, and here you can change like a get category, because we need to show drop down about the category. Okay, so let's go to category controller, means category models. Inside you can see it, I already made a like a one query, you see it here. Okay, so just use this one, and we can put inside a subcategory add.blade.php. Inside we need to create a new select box. So just open. Let's close old one, otherwise sometime you making mistakes. So I don't want to, you can make a mistake here. So I just closing, we don't want to need. So here I can copy like this one, and we can change here like a category name, and also is required, and I can create here select. Inside we can do the bootstrap class form controller, and name is equal to, we can use like category id, because also we are using inside a database. And here we can put like option value is equal to null and select. Okay, and this is the we need to use a for each loop here. As a dollar value, and here we can make like an and for each, and here we can make like option and value is equal to, we can pass here id, and also we can pass here name inside a here, so we can show it here category drop down. So just save these files and just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it here like a category. You can see it like hobbies, lifestyle and shopping. Suppose you can go to category 1, so you can see it like hobbies, lifestyle and shopping. Same thing we can do it here. Okay, so everything is good now. So we need to store all the information inside a like a database table, like a subcategory, because we have already done like a model. So also we have created like a one routes for the updating, means inserting inside a database table like a subcategory tables. Because of the we are using same URL, because I use it here blank action, so you can see it. So blank action, so we can go with the same URL, whatever URL you are providing here, sorry here. Okay, so everything is good. So just create a new function like function request dollar request, and here I can make like a dd, here I can make a all. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, and after we can add like a hobbies, and I can add like abcd, I can add slap like home care, and I active same hobbies, and I can test. Otherwise whatever do you want to like abcd, because here using abcd, and here test, also I can use here test. I click on the submit, so you can see it like category id, name, slug, status, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, because we need to add inside a comma separate this reason. So you can see it like old record we have there. Okay, so everything is good. So just we need to add for this all the information inside database, but we ever did inside a category controller. So just go here and just copy all thing, because we need to provide also validation. So just copy all thing and put here. So slug also works, so just we can change here like a subcategory, so slug always going to unique, and also here is a category to, we can change to subcategory all the variable name, so look like better this reason. And here we can change like a redirect to subcategory, so just go to up and just copy this name like subcategory and put here, so is a redirection working very well. And here you can change like subcategory created successfully. Okay, name, slug, status, here you can see it same thing we have passed here, because we have already did is a copy paste code. So just we need to add a new line here, and we just need to change here like a subcategory category model to subcategory models, and here we can pass like a category id. This is the new, so just put here category id, and here also you can put a category id. Okay, I save this ones, I just control F5 and I click on the resend, so you can see it like a subcategory successfully created. And here is a slug also created, and also you can see like hobbiness is the category name, and here is the abcd is the category name, subcategory name, and also you, whatever do you want to type, this is the showing. And also here you can see it like a created by. Okay, so everything is good now. So let's make now edit and delete. So just click on the edit, so this is the routes not created, but we have already changed these routes. You can see it here like subcategory edits. So just go to web one and just copy like two above one for the category one, and just you can change here category to subcategory, and also you can change like a controller. Okay, so everything is good. I will explain later for this one. Once we can update the record, first of all we need to understand like a edit one. So just go to subcategory one and just we need to create a new file. But before we need to go to create a new file, so just go to like category controller and copy his code and paste here. Okay, after you can change here like edit. Also we have passed like one parameter, you can see it. So this parameter you can see it inside a URL. So this is the parameter we have passed inside a edit function. Okay, so just we can change here like a category to subcategory, and here we can change like a subcategory name, edit subcategory title, and here we can make like a get subcategory, and inside we can put like a add. So we can do is like a edit. So just change to blade.php. Okay, so file successfully created. So again you need to go category and just copy like edit one and paste here, because we have already passed here like a meta title, meta description inside a get record whatever we are getting, you can see it here. But we need to create a new function inside a subcategory model. So just go back and just you can create like a new function. It does not take time, just few seconds. Static public function, here I already passed one parameter about the subcategory ID, and just we can pass like return self. Self means that is the class name, and here just put like a find $id, so we can get a first record here. Okay, I save these files, and also I save these files. So get record I have get inside edit one, we have copy for this category one and just paste here, so automatic I can get here. So just we can make like here subcategory name, and here we can change the subcategory names. Let's save and just refresh the page, so we can check work not work. So it's working very well, you can see it, but we don't want to, we need to show here like a category list. So just go back again, go to controller and just copy this line for inside add one and just paste here. After just need to go to again like add.blade.php and copy this line and put inside a edit. So here you can put it. Okay, I will save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a category name, and here you can see drop down. But whatever category name I have added inside a database like subcategory table, so we need to make like a active. Suppose here showing the like a 3 id, so 3 whatever 3 id here there we need to make a active. So just we need to make like here selected code. So here we can make like very quick like a dollar value id is equal to get records, because we are passing our data inside a get records, you can see it here. So get record, so just we can change like a get records inside category id. So just copy this name, so we can do it quickly, and here we can make selected. Okay, I save these files and just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it here is a selection you can found. Okay, once I will click on the update, so we need to update this record. So we here also is a like action is equal to null, and also is the same as a like add name like meta title meta description. So let's go to again and just uncomment and go to copy the update, and just we need to create like a new function here, function update id, because same thing there means the same URL there, request dollar request. So just copy above one and just put here, and here we need to change like a subcategory to get single, because we need to update, we have already done this function, and here we are passing the IDs, and here also we need to check it's not same segment. Okay, so also we don't want to work, and here we can change like a updated. Also we need to remove the created by who is a created, because we don't want to need this is the name created by. Okay, and also we need to provide like one validation, Suppose same file is checking, so just go to is like category controller and just go to edit one and just copy this name, this copy this UR, just copy the all the code and just put here. Suppose you are not follow this series, so you can write own way. I can show you inside video code, you can see it here, and here just we can change like a category to subcategory. Okay, and here I have passed like id one parameter, because of the you can see it here like a id there, you can see it here. Okay, so everything is clear. So let's go to back again and refresh the page and open the subcategory, and I will add this is the slug lifestyle because it's already there, and I just click on the update, so you can see it like a one error generated, the slug has already has been taken. Suppose you can use like same as whatever their old one, and you click on the ABCDFY and I click on the update, so you can see it working very well. Also is updated, also work like all work. Suppose I can make status is equal to inactive after I click on the update function, so also work, you can see it. Okay, so let's make last one like a delete one. So just go back again, and we have already done like listings list.blade.php, just copy, and we have already created for this route not created, so just let's copy the above routes and paste here, and just we can change here subcategory, and here also you can change category to subcategory, and just you can create a delete routes. Otherwise you need to go like admin one, sorry, category controller, copy all thing and paste here, and here I use a redirect back success message, just we need to change like subcategory, and also you can change here like a subcategory get single after we have updated the is delete is equal to 1, because we are getting the data about the is delete is equal to 0. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, and I just delete first one, so you can see it now subcategory successfully deleted. Also you can see it here is the id number 1 not found, so working very well. Okay, so add subcategory, new edit and delete subcategory, and also you can see it like a category name. Before we did like category, now we did like a subcategory. So next video we can continue about the product. We can go next videos of, before we need to go next video we need to like completed here like a here a pagination, we don't want to forget. So I think we have did pagination in other files, so just go to admin inside list, so we can check we have not did here in this project pagination. So let's open my other project like schools.com. Suppose you are following the like my another one like a schools.com, this is the series, so you can understand. Just go to resources, just go to admin, and inside you need to go to like attendance, whatever you can go, you can find out. Suppose you are not following, so just copy this code. Okay, I just go down and I copy this line, and I can put inside our file like list here. Okay, also I get here get records, you can see it here, and also like this code there, like here is a we can using the pages and links and automatic creating like a bootstrap one using. Let's see what is the using, and I close this one, I don't want to need this project now, so I close here, and I don't want to use like edit ads, and just we need to use a subcategory, don't want to use like web, so I save this file, also I save this file. So just go back again, refresh the page, so error not there. Okay, so let's make a pagination, I can put here like a 1. Okay, so we need to work like a pagination, so just refresh the page, so it look like not better, you are right and me right. So just go to Google one and search bootstrap pagination in Laravel, you can search in, and just you can go to like first one. I think we need to change one line inside a code, so where we need to go, pagination use bootstrap, so I think we need to go app service provider, and here we need to use like a paginator use bootstrap. Okay, this is the line we need to add, so just go to provider, inside you need to go to app service provider, carefully watch. Okay, app inside you can go to provider, inside you need to go app service provider, and just you need to use like a paginator use bootstrap, and also he need to provide this class So just we can copy this and we can provide here for paginator class. Okay, so I save these files and I just go back and refresh the page. So this is the issue can sort out. You can see it now working as a bootstrap paginator. Okay, so you can see it also is a pagination working very well. You can see it here is a page changing. So carefully I can explain. First you need to go to app, inside go to provider, inside you can choose like app service provider, inside you need to just add this is the line paginator use bootstrap. Here you can go to definition, so you can see it here is using like this is the inside vendor folder. Okay, vendor Laravel framework inside emulator and inside pagination. Instead we can see it like another class abstract paginator.php, and after you need to declare this is the pagination here because we are using here pagination class this reasons. Okay, so everything's good and just I can refresh. So it's working very well, you can see it. Let's make like a back to same as like 50. I think 50 is good, so let's make a 50. So is a category and subcategory we have done, like add, edit, delete, and we can do is the next one like a subcategory. After we can do is a product. Okay, this is the main module works product, but we can do product add, edit, deletes, and after we can sort out the like a front side screen. So we need to start here our work. So how it looks show our website, because right now using the static one, but we need to do own way and we can do our works. Okay, so we can sort out like our themes like a Mola themes, and we can show here product, future products, Laravel like future products, whatever do you want to see it here. Like you can go to shops, you can show shop list, so you can see it like this look show, but we can use only one, we don't want to use like all. Here is a multiple there, but we can like it like this, so we can use like this. Otherwise do you want to like this, we can use whatever do you want to like. I also like this here is not working, so I also like it this one, so is a big images and look like better, so this one I like it. And here is showing the like share likes and what is this name, lots of name them, some part we can use, some part we don't want to use. Suppose you click on the add to carts, so we can add to carts, and here is a cart inside you can see it is item. Is a all thing work very well, so don't worry about that. I can show you proper way. Here showing the category name, this is the category, here showing the subcategory name, and here also showing the subcategory name. Okay, and here is also category, main category, and here once you can choose this is the category, so this category data you can see it. Suppose you can choose this category data, you can got it like this. We can do is like a professional way, so don't worry about that, we can do is like a proper way. So you can follow this series, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.